Alright guys, I'm just going to share a quick value exercise example that I have completed that y'all will be completing as well, turning those three shapes into three-dimensional forms. I have a sphere, a cube, and a cone. Alright, so we're going to get started with the sphere. And so what I like to do first is, just draw out the shape of it. Then I like to put in a base value, so a light. And then what I do is mark out where the sunlight's coming from, and then I just darken it. And remember, you want to curve it, your shading, because this is a rounded object. Make sure you include that reflective light there in the bottom so we can get a good distinguishing area between your casting shadow and the sphere itself. Remember with cubes, one side is going to have the most light, one side's going to have like the second most light, and then one is going to have no light at all, so that'll be your darkest side when you are shading these cubes. Ignore my casting shadow, I did that really quick. It's not exactly the right shape. But okay, moving on to the cone. I'm going to add in that base value like I did for the sphere, and then start to darken it up on the sides where the sunlight is not hitting it. And you'll see this, in the Google slides that you were looking at, exactly where the sunlight's coming from. So I'm making it darker so that it can get that rounded form to it, and that it's not just flat, because if you were to have it just completely dark on that side, it would be flat. So you've got to have that kind of reflective light on the side to give it that curvature, and it helps distinguish between the object itself and the casting shadow.